Okay, so here we are again with another lawnmower. It is a Toro Recycler, a little bit older model. Just looking at this thing, this thing is broken. I think it'll be an okay fix. I haven't looked a ton. I did remove the air filter. Just warning you. I know. I changed it. So we will be throwing this thing away.
Let's see that again.
Yeah, here's another shot at it.
Just let me get it. Can you kind of show a few angles? Wow. I'm gonna just kind of go this way. Wow.
So it is also very filthy. The bag is pretty much brand new. Something we have electric start. We got the battery. We do not have the charging cord yet. We will be getting that eventually, but we're just gonna have to use this. This goes down okay, might need a little grease. It turns over. The cable might need a little bit of adjusting, but looking pretty good. I think it will clean up nicely. My plan is we're just gonna clean this up, take the top off to see if there's any mouse nests. We'll turn the camera on if there's a mouse nest. Otherwise, we're just gonna leave it. There's a bolt here and here. Also, looking at the oil. Okay. Also, the oil is black, so that's not good. Needs to change. Literally dripping oil everywhere. Also, the fuel tank is bone dry. So, yeah, good signs. We're back here. It's all washed up. We put some fuel in it. No mouse nest. So, we will try to start it. The battery needs to charge for the electric start, so can't use it.